Mutwaiisya munene wa makoani mwenenthi Renson Ingonga niwaumya ukani muvyu kwa Ateti ala meukonanwa na syiko sya kutumia nzangili kana kumya uneeni utailite kana utonya kuaan'ya enenthi kavindani ka nthi ya Kenya yiendee kwiyumbanisya usakuani munene wa mwakani wa 2027. Ingonga ainena kavindani ka kuvinga ikomano ya 38 yanza manene ya maundu ma ukangani na aki kauntini ya Mombasa ni waweta kana ala meukwaatikana ni mekwose wa matambya ala mailite kumya. Angela
nena na andiki mamo voiti na kuvinga ikomano ya 38 yanza manene ya maundu ma uungamii na haki. Mutwaiisya munene wa makoani mwenenthi Renson Ingonga niwaumya ukan'yo muvyu kwi Ateti ala makuvikia kumya uneeni wa kuman'ya enenthi kana kutumia nzangili kuvalanya mikutano ya vinzani mo aiweta kana ala makukwatikana ni makuvikia kwose wa matambya metu ma kumya.
Anyone found. And in my case, we don't have categories, whether it's government, opposition, ours it's Kenyans. Anyone found culpable in goonism will be dealt with accordingly.
Ni wakulia mugo kululumilwa kwa kila nzia kavindani ka nthi ya Kenya yiendee kwiyumbanisya usakuani munene wa mwaka wa 2027 awetekana mayivikia kumanenga mwanya Ateti kutwaiisya siasa kwa nzia utailite na ila itonya uvalu cha mugo wa nthi ya Kenya.
This also applies to the issue of inflammatory statements which are being made by politicians across the divide. We will also, in collaboration with the DCI and NCIC, deal with these kind of characters so that they are brought to book. We only have one country, and that is Kenya. We will not allow some characters with their own issues to influence otherwise good Kenyans into a state of anarchy.
Kavindani kaunza maeni awetekana ni kuambisya kuthukumithia komiti ya kwiyumbanisya usakuani munene wa mwaka wa 2027 musili munene wa makoani muwandu Martha Koome ikulia ngwatanio na kuthukuma kwa vamwe kwimivia kivethukanyoni kana kwikithia usakuani ukethiwa wa muguo utheu na umilu.
We had a presentation made to us by the chairperson of IEBC and commissioners of IEBC and agreed that interagency coordination and partnership is essential for a peaceful and orderly electoral environment.
Ngilivoti ya vilingi wa mauvo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa nita wa Angelina Mose.